The troops are now moving down on the other side of Newport Bridge. He's trying to, there's AK fire coming in from the factory. But now they've crossed the hump of the bridge, it means they're advancing anyway. We still don't know how many there are down there. We thought about 12 earlier today. An armoured car's going up on the left. There's no way of shifting these people. There must be, what, 500 or 600 troops on this bridge, fighting probably a dozen or so, maybe 20 at the most, communists, and yet there they are, they've been there all today. For one moment they panicked, and rightly so. The mortar hit right in the middle of them down there on the right, 100 yards away. It's killed a lot of people. But now they've gone back to some of their positions. They've left one wounded in the road. Let's see the wounded. Got this, and dead on the right. Let's go there. You go there? The wounded guys. Không, tự còn cái đâu. Nó bị đây nè.